Hello, Chris from Rocketman here, and I am excited to announce that we are opening up a beta program for a product built specifically for this LaunchPad community. Since the beginning of Rocketman, one of our biggest challenges has been managing shell scripts, and there's a couple reasons for this. First off, although Shell is powerful OS level code, it has its limitations. It's not great at parsing data or doing complex calculations, and on top of this, it doesn't support libraries and uses monolithic code. So our scripts are often thousands of lines of code, which becomes quite cumbersome to edit. Second, shell scripts are deployed in uncompiled code to the user's computer, which isn't great from a security perspective. But it also means you're dependent on the version of Bash or Z shell shipped with that computer, which changes with each OS version. Third, updating scripts in Jamf Pro is a bit cumbersome, especially when you're working with multiple servers. Updating a script is literally copying and pasting the code back and forward, and if you've hard-coded any changes into this script, those changes are gone as soon as you update it. And since shell scripts don't support libraries, there's a specific function that needs to be updated for any reason. You have to painstakingly update it across all of your scripts. Because of this, many Jamf admins don't update their scripts unless something breaks, which is kind of a recipe for disaster. Lastly, there is a lack of industry expertise with Bash and Z shell. Being a Jamf admin requires us to not only have a high level of understanding of the Apple operating system and a variety of IT software, but it also requires us to be good at customer service. But let's face it, most of us are not developers, and many of the difficult challenges that we face with shell scripts are easy for a seasoned developer to tackle. So to address all these challenges, we built the Rocketman Command Center, which is a series of tools that you can deploy to your Mac computers. We essentially built an application that allows us to do all the complex things we were doing with shell scripts, eliminating the challenges we were facing previously. We've been using this tool with our current clients with great results, and now we are opening up a beta program to gather more feedback. The beauty of this framework we've developed is that it's easy to make changes and add more tools. And we have an entire development team behind us, so we'll be able to update this application rapidly with the tools that this community needs. We are only opening up this beta program to a limited number of users. So if you are interested, please click the link in the description today. We would love to get your feedback about how we can improve this tool before it is launched to the public.